We're on our next 4-ball pattern, everyone, and let's work this pattern backwards. We have a blocker ball on the 4-ball, so that makes this pocket easy to pick out. We're going to be over here for the 4-ball to pocket it in this corner. How do we get to the 4-ball from the 3-ball? I'd say we need to be about right here and hit this with maybe about 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock, depending on your perspective, or it also depends on where it lands. If it lands a little too far in either direction, we may have to draw and do things of that nature. The tangent line puts it real close to scratching, so we got to use something other than stun. All right, like to be in that area for the 3. For the 2-ball, I would like to, I have a couple of options I could go. I could pocket it up here in this corner, in this side pocket here, as long as the cue ball is right here, and drift up and come over. That's one way. And then the other way would be to pocket it down here in this corner, hitting the 1-ball with just a little bit of stop or just a stun forward just a little bit. So if we put it, if we end up shooting it forward, we need to keep the cue ball about right here, and we can draw back over to this rail, or if we're too straight, we can draw back to about this area here. And then the other way also is to shoot the 1-ball here, float the cue ball over, and put the cue ball right here. So those are the ways I figure this pattern can be done, everyone. Let's sticker it up and get to it. If the player has the speed of the table down, they may try pocketing the 1 ball and sliding down to this area A for shape for the 2 ball. If the player doesn't have the speed down, it's easy to roll too far or not far enough on shots like this. The option used in this solution requires less precise speed control since we're only traveling a few inches after pocketing the 1 ball. From here, we can stun the cue ball off the 2 with a little low spin to send the cue ball off the side rail. Now it's just a matter of rolling in the 3 ball with running English for position on the 4 ball. The 2 ball can hit the side rail and bounce out. Cue ball wise, cue ball shooting the 3 is going to hit the side rail twice and put you in position for the 4. All right, you know the solution, everybody. Stick with this up and give it a try.